Okay, so here's my demo showing the peer-to-peer communication to a central indexing server. The central indexing server is running here on an iPad on an iOS simulator, and I have two iPhones that are connected via AirPlay to this device for the recording, and these iPhones are running peers. So essentially, when I launch a peer, on the iPhone, what it will do is it will go out and create multiple peers. This is threaded, so it can create as many as I like. I can add a third one here if I like, if I choose to, by just hitting the plus. And you can see as the peers are created, they register over here with the server, and the server indicates that it sees them. So I can also launch the same software on the other iPad, and they connect as well. And we can see that it tells how many files each of them have. So for example, if I go into this first one on the iPhone 5, the 5FE, and I go down and I look at the directory there, it shows that I have 5 files. And 5FE is what shows our 5 files here. And if we go in on the server, we can actually see the files that are registered. If I want to add a new file to my directory, I have a set of 10 test files here. I can go ahead and add one. And when I do that, you'll notice that it immediately updates the server with the new information. If I wanted to get rid of test 8, I could delete that, and test 8 goes away. So that's the basics of how the servers work. Essentially, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to search for a file. So if I go back into this one here, nobody has, I don't have test 6 yet. So let's see if we can find that. So we're going to go here to search, and I'm going to go change this to test 6. And hit search. And when I do, I see some phones that have it, of which mine is not listed. So I'm going to pick one that is away from me, the other phone, the 8E. And when I do that, it will transfer the file. And note, I get a file request returned. It tells me the file, and it also tells me it took 1.89 seconds to retrieve. And now if I go back into here, and I look at my directory, I now see that I have test 6. And over here on the phone that is the 5FE, if I go in here, it also shows that I have test 6. So we've now downloaded a file from one to the other through a peer-to-peer connection.